Did Shane MacGowan act in films? Have you ever wondered about the film appearances of Shane MacGowan, the legendary lead singer of the Pogues? While he is primarily known for his music, he did have some roles in films and television. His contributions to visual media are particularly interesting for those who appreciate Irish culture and music. Shane MacGowan made several appearances in movies, often portraying himself or taking on small roles. In the year 1987, he appeared into films Eat the Rich and Straight to Hell. Both films have gained a cult following and are known for their quirky and surreal storytelling. In 1991, MacGowan took on a role in the television movie The Ghosts of Oxford Street, where he played the Duke of York. This role showcased his unique personality and charm, making it memorable for viewers. Additionally, he had a small, uncredited role as a 17th-century bard in the film The Libertine, released in 2004. On the television front, MacGowan appeared in the show Rab C. Nesbitt in 2011. His appearances in these productions are fun for fans, as they offer a glimpse into his life beyond music. While acting was not his primary career focus, MacGowan's presence in films and television adds another layer to his legacy. He is also featured in various music videos and concert films, further showcasing his artistic talents. One notable documentary is Crock of Gold, A Few Rounds with Shane MacGowan, released in 2020. This film provides a detailed look at his life, music, and influence, although it is not a fictional acting role. For those traveling in Ireland and interested in Shane MacGowan, checking out his film and television appearances can be a delightful experience. You might find screenings of his films or documentaries in local cinemas or cultural centers. Additionally, his music videos and concert footage are readily available online, offering a rich connection to Irish music history. In summary, while Shane MacGowan did act in films and on television, these roles were secondary to his music career. His unique personality shines through in these appearances, making them a quirky part of his legacy for fans and travelers exploring Irish culture.